Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Jerome, who is one of the truly great saints of early Christianity. Jerome was a multi-talented man. He was a scripture scholar. He wrote several commentaries on scripture. He actually translated the Bible from the original languages into Latin, and that version of the Bible we now know as the Vulgate. He was a mystic, he was a prolific letter writer, and he was also a consultant to bishops, including the bishops of Rome. I chose the image that you see of St. Jerome not because of its accuracy. It's highly unlikely that Jerome ever wore the robes that you see him in or had the kind of beautiful office that he's working out of. Rather, I chose this image because of the expression on Jerome's face. The expression kind of says, "What do you want?" And that's because Jerome is very well known for his terrible temper and his terrible impatience with people. Why do I choose to focus on that, on Jerome's temper? Well, because St. Jerome's temper and his impatience teach us something about ourselves. It teaches us something about holiness. We don't have to be perfect in order to be saintly. We all have flaws. God does not expect us to be perfect. God accepts us as we are. God always wants us to become better people, but God accepts us as we are. He accepts everything about us. He loves everything about us. And he invites us to do the same, to love and embrace everything about ourselves. Thank you for watching today.